Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with the dynamic problems. Find the acceleration produced by the force of 100 Newton in the mass of 10 kilograms. So we have to find out the acceleration. Data we have given is force of 100 Newton and mass of 50 kilograms. So let's start. Force is equal to 100 Newton, mass is equal to 50 kilogram, acceleration is equal to question mark. Using the Newton law of motion, X is equal to ma, a is equal to f divided by m. We have to find out the acceleration. The values we have given is of force and the mass. Force is of 100 Newton and mass is of 50 kilograms. So the acceleration we get is 2 meter per second square. That's all. Thank you so much.